Go away, big green monster, by Ed Emberley.
Let's learn the song.
Big green monster has two big yellow eyes, a long bluish greenish nose, a big red mouth with sharp white teeth, two little squiggly ears, scraggly purple hair, and a big scary green face. But you don't scare me, so go away.